Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to install and download IKEA app. IKEA app is a free comprehensive mobile tool for iOS and Android designed to elevate your home furnishing and shopping experience. It integrates store navigation, augmented reality, design tools, and loyalty rewards in a single platform for use at home or in store. The key features and tools within the app: IKEA Creative, an advanced AI and AR feature that lets you scan your own room, erase existing furniture, and visually place new IKEA piece to see how they fit and look. Shop and Go/Express checkout allow you to scan items as you walk through the store, pack your bags as you shop, bypass long queue at the tails. IKEA family integration, access your digital loyalty card, track rewards points, and view exclusive member offers and discounts on your phone. Planning tools, create custom design layout for your kitchen, wardrobes, and storage space. Store mode, look up local store stocks levels. Find exact eyes/bin location for products and check historically quiet time to visit. Food mobile, order food from IKEA restaurants and bistro via your phone to skip waiting time. So to download this app, go to Play Store, select apps and search. Type IKEA, IKEA. Select on it, IKEA. Select install. Select open. United Kingdom English, then select get started. Data and privacy, confirm by choice. Then you select I'm buying from home, enjoy member offer and other instant benefit. Login, maybe later. Notifications, turn notification or maybe later. Make your garden the value for the big game. Sales now on. Styles on social, loved by IKEA experts. Latest offer. Show all. IKEA products in real home, bedroom, living room, kitchen, garden, dining, bathroom, laundry, hallway. So these are IKEA products in homes. Mom, dressing table, white. This is the dressing table. Then lack is this one on top. Lack wall shelf, white. This one. Lack wall shelf unit, white. And this one. So you can add it or select option. Then add to shopping bag. So it's added. Then you can go back. So you have shopping online and also in store. Then you select got it. Then checkout, continue to checkout or checkout with Google Pay. Select continue to checkout. Then you put postcode or where you want the product to be fulfilled. So this is how to install this app. And also you go to search, what are you looking for, products and rooms, and you can sign up, log in. We show you join IKEA family for free and enjoy instant benefit. Log in and sign in your activity, design, save list, see what your local store has to offer. Then you select on this, then select your store, and this is basket and checkout. So this item added. If you want to remove it, then you select on it, item removed. If you go back to home, then you keep checking any item or you select all. You can also search bathroom or living room or kitchen, garden. This is garden. Then you scroll down to select any. Let's say if you want to select this, Then it will show you some of the items available here. You can see the table. So this is how to install this app. And if you want to remove this app, then select IKEA, pinch on it, then select uninstall. Select OK. So the app is removed. Thank you very much indeed.